how to get the Facebook bonus, to join the Facebook bonus. So there's no special way, there's no unique way, there's nothing you need to do specially to get this bonus. Now you can see that my Facebook has monetization impact, but look down here, you see the bonus has been given to me for me to earn from the Facebook bonus. Now, how does this work? How did I get it? What made them to give me the option to earn from the bonus? Now, there's nothing special actually. The only thing you need to do, you can see I just got in yesterday, which is September 13, and it's actually 1 month. That's 30 days for you to earn. Now they need you to make content that people go interact with. Now you see this, it works right here. You say use different formats, that is try text, post, photos, video in your content and all that. They just want you to just create content, then create original content and bonus from comments, shares, likes, and the things like that. Then you get paid for that within the 21 days, within the 30 days. After 21 days, you'll be paid for your activities in the next 21 days. Now, what prompted them to decide to give me this program? I'm still impacted, as you guys can see, for monetization. I'm not monetized because of violation of content that I posted one time ago. So I started clearing and cleaning up my Facebook. I did. I started cleaning and clearing everything up. I'm on like completely from the scratch, from the start, all from the beginning of my Facebook. I have to clear everything up, and I started posting regularly, caring not to know if they were
Where
monetizing
this
or not.
video
I
was
started
taken,
posting and posting and
these
posting.
people are heartless.
So when I started doing this,
Imagine
then boom, I got this email from them. Now you can see it's not just only my page, the other page I manage also. I got this to manage, to set it up, Meta for Business. So the first email you see here, the one before the last one from Meta, was from another page that I manage, and they give the page the bonus option. Then this also is for me. So I got two at the same time immediately. You see, the same month, that's when I got them. So guys, I hope this helped you to understand how you can get this bonus. There's nothing special about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll say bye for now.